Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. Today it's a little bit cool up here. This is like the second day of cool weather. I love it. So this video is how to stockpile $7 worth of food for a week for your car or your house, or just to stockpile. So when I moved, I thought, wow, the best way to stockpile is cans. So I started buying a majority of cans, and nothing is going to happen to my cans, unless they're ready to expire, in which case I have to eat those. But the cans are not going anywhere. Nothing. I did see videos of hoarders where their cans were I think those cans were 20 years old. You have to attend to your stockpile now and then. So I started buying a majority of cans, and I think I'm on the right track here. And then I arrange my freezer so it's mostly meat and bread. Because if you have cans and then you have a half a loaf of bread, you can get by. So bread. And another reason I need bread is lunch is sandwich with a small fruit or a small salad. Breakfast is cereal and milk. And then dinner, you guys are going to be seeing some of my stockpile dinners. So $7, so it's going to be 7 cans. So the first thing I found, they didn't have much, is this potato soup, because tonight I'm going to be making a potato, corn and sausage soup with bread. Or you could just eat this with bread. This was a good deal for $1. That's why I bought it. So that's one. Then that was all I could find. There was, not that much stuff there. People out here are buying, you guys. Okay, so then they're buying food. I bought this can of beans and weenies because if the power is out, I can get, if I can find it in the dark. These are $1. These are good. So what I want to do is buy food I like. Then, so that's 2. Then I discovered these. These are pretty good. Now, all this stuff is good to eat in the car. This is chicken, and you can make a chicken sandwich, or, you can eat it. And then I try to find the ones for $1. So tuna and chicken, so that's 4. And then I bought 2 cans of Vienna sausages for $1. You've seen me eat those in the car before. And then I bought 2 of these. I find these to be good. These are $1 each, so that's $7. So, you can get by in the house, in the car. You have your food at home. I've been doing this car thing for, this is the 2nd week, because I come up to the shopping center anyway to walk. And then I discovered something. How about this? These are a little bit over $1, but for, some of the donuts I buy, you don't know whose hands have touched them. These don't expire until January 29th, 2021. What year is this? You have to watch the expiration date. So anyway, let's try one of these. Yummy. I don't want to get crumbs in my car. These are good. So when I get home tonight, the pizza's good that I made last night. The pizza casserole. Just remember, don't overbake your biscuits. So I'm going to be cooking the stockpile down at home. And when I buy food, I want food I can eat in the car, food I can eat at home, or food I can stockpile. I'm taking no chances. Okay, we were lucky because we had a year last year to prepare. And I think the way it looks like it's going, we're going to have another year to get prepared for whatever comes. All right, so then I was at 99 cents. Now this is another one. This has nothing to do with the $7. This is a stockpile. Okay, I bought 2 containers of barbecued potato chips, and you can't always find these. I eat these with dip. For lunch, I have a sandwich with a small salad or a small fruit, unless I'm eating in my car. Then since I have been eating in my car, since I have been like living in my car, so I'm not home, so I'm not wrecking Tyson's townhouse. Yes, I'm being very careful with Tyson's townhouse. I'm cleaning it spotless from top to bottom. Okay, now I bought these banana chips, and I bought 2 packages. Usually when I stockpile, I buy 2. So these are really a good deal for $1. And so what these are good for is you make oatmeal with brown sugar, and you top them with walnuts and banana chips, or you could just eat these in the car. Also, I have plans to be making some granola and some yogurt. Big plan. And then here's there wasn't very many boxes. I like these cereals. What I do is I eat, these were $1, all the candy out, and then, I eat the cereal in the middle of the night. And then I got this nice big, these are like carrots to go with like Mexican food, or you can put them on your salad, or you can just eat them cold with chips and salsa. That is really good. And then I bought 1 bottle of Diet Coke for $1. So that's a good deal. So, okay, so the strategy is every single day, because, I was studying the secret doctrine, everything we do today drastically affects the future. So when you start, your future life, but I'm just saying my future because, I'm not a reincarnationist. Okay, so now, if I am really, really cheap today, so now this is a lot of food. This is plenty of car food for a week. And at night, when I make the meals out of my stockpile, which was mostly cans, I was doing the car living last week, and I bought these sausages for like $1.06. So I have the sausages for tonight. And this starts becoming a way of life, and you start accumulating money, and you start accumulating food, and you don't need anything. That is when life starts getting cheap. That is why we're doing the stockpile. So, what I'm doing now in my car, I am trying to create like a home in my car, even though I'm not living in my car, and this is only temporary until I get a van. Then my van's really, really gonna get homey. Yes, already my car is starting to get pretty homey. Okay, you guys, that is it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.